I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Make or Build It. Today we're talking about 5 uses for multimeters in your DIY and home improvement projects that involve electronics or electrical systems. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Multimeters are versatile devices that can be your best friend when repairing, troubleshooting, or designing electronic circuits. The first and most common use for multimeters is diagnosing electrical problems in household appliances, wiring, or electronic devices. Whether it's a malfunctioning toaster, a flickering light, or a dead outlet, a multimeter can help pinpoint the issue. By checking the continuity, you can identify broken circuits or faulty components. Voltage measurements can reveal if a device is receiving the power it needs, and resistance measurements can help you determine the health of the wires and components. Multimeters aren't just for diagnosing complex electrical issues. You could use them for everyday tasks such as testing batteries. Whether it's the AA in your remote control or the battery in your car, a multimeter can tell you if they're holding the charge they should. This simple test can save you time and money by ensuring you only replace batteries that are truly at the end of their life. For automotive enthusiasts, the multimeter is an essential tool in diagnosing electrical problems in a vehicle. From checking the alternator's output to ensuring the battery is in good health, a multimeter can guide you through complex automotive electrical systems. You can also use it to troubleshoot issues with car stereos, lights, and electronic sensors, making it an essential tool in any DIY mechanic's toolkit. A multimeter is also crucial for ensuring the safety and proper functioning of your home's electrical system. But remember, safety first. If you are not comfortable touching your home electric, you should hire a professional. The multimeter can be used to check if electrical outlets are properly grounded, which is vital for protecting your appliances and avoiding electrical shocks. You can also use it to monitor the voltage of your home's electrical supply, ensuring that it falls within safe limits, thus protecting your electronic devices from potential damage. For those of you who love tinkering with electronics or other crafts that involve electronics, a multimeter is an essential tool. It's one of my favorites in my toolbox. It allows you to measure current draw from your project, helping you select the right power supply and avoid overheating or damaging components. Whether you're building a custom LED lighting setup, repairing an old radio, or designing a robotic project, a multimeter is your guide to understanding and controlling the electrical aspect of your creation. A multimeter is not just a tool, it is a gateway for us to get an understanding of the electrical world that's all around us these days. From simple battery tests to complex automotive repairs, a multimeter can empower you to tackle a wide range of DIY projects with confidence and safety. So grab your multimeters and let's start measuring, testing, and creating. I'm going to show you how to do each one of the things we talked about in this video in detail in a separate video on the channel. So make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making.